Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make regular hexagon in LaTeX. So let's get started. And firstly, just create a LaTeX file, or you can work on the previous file as well. So for any kind of geometry or drawings in the LaTeX, you have to use some external packages. So for this tutorial, only one package is needed. So you can use this package, which is called teach, and just this is the only package needed for the tutorial, and you will good to go. So after that, just inside the document environment, you can create another environment called teach, and inside that environment, just you have to define some command so that it will just render the hexagon. Or so for the hexagon or any kind of polygon, so we have to start from the command draw. Draw is a command in LaTeX which is used to just join the 2 points. So just start with the command draw and insert some coordinates, like if I want to start from the coordinate 0, 0, and then just join to second point, which is called 4, 0. So it will make a line segment from origin to 4, 0. So as you can see, it made a line segment of length 4, and actually we have to make a hexagon. So actually we are going to make a hexagon. So for hexagon, internal angle is 120, so external angle will be 60. So we have to make these line segment, we have to make the 6 line segment of the same length, and which should be repeated in some similar fashion, which is at each vertex the turning angle is 60. So it will finally make an regular hexagon. So from the starting, just make any horizontal line segment, and after that you can use the command turn and it will do the same job. So like just use the double dash. Double dash is a command, or you can say that representation or symbol used for the line segment or joining between any 2 coordinate points inside the LaTeX. So just use the double dash, and then after you have to write command called turn. Make sure that use the square bracket for the turn. So turn, close the square bracket and define the angle. So for the hexagon, you have to use 60 degree and then put the line segment, length of the line segment. So here we are going to make the line segment of length 4. So put the 4 and close the parenthesis. It will make a line segment from 4, 0 to next point of length 4 unit and angle of 60 degree from the positive x-axis. So as you can see, and you can do the same thing for next side as well. So I'm going to copy this and just paste this. So as you can see, it will just repeat the same thing again, as you can see. So I am gonna paste one more time and one more time. So as you can see, and finally you can do the same thing once more, and so it will make a hexagon. But here you can see, from repeating things, it actually do not join perfectly. So I want to just join like this. So for that, just you do not have to write the last command. Just instead of turn command, you have to write cycle, and it will make the joint perfect. And as you can see, it actually made the joint more perfect. So you can use the cycle word for all kind of polygon. So sometimes we make triangle or a square, so there you can use the cycle for the precise coordinating. So with the help of these commands, you can make any kind of polygon. So like we are going to make some, what do you want, like we are going to make some pentagon or trapezium. So I hope you got the point of this video, and that's it guys for this video, and feel free to subscribe this channel for more awesome coming tutorials on LaTeX, and thank you for watching. I will catch you later. Bye.